now watching Color Me Crypto, Digital Cash Decoded. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
And if you enjoy the video, visit us on Patreon for exclusive content.
Yo, Color Me Crypto, let's go. Based on the title, I'm going to be showing you how to block YouTube ads 100% working. Not going to waste your time with a lot of talking. I do have proof, and I got the time on the screen. Actually, I don't know if that's recording, so I'm going to just hit the stopwatch once I open Google and show you guys how we get this done. So let me just show you the proof. Not even going to do much talking, and then I'll explain how to do it. I'm probably going to mute the speakers just so I don't get like copyright on these videos, but so now stopwatch started. I am in Google Chrome, and I'm going to just go straight for YouTube. So got YouTube pulled up, and I'm just going to pick, some random videos and show you that YouTube will not deliver ads for none of these videos. Actually, let me just do regular. So girl catches guy cheat on 4K camera, blah, blah, blah. So
David, I heard you've not just been crushing it.
So look, we got straight into the video. I'll click on a different video. This is Mr. Beast. $100 girls versus $100 boys for 500K. Another Mr. Beast video. We just hit 100 million, whatever. I'll go back to YouTube homepage. That's 2 videos, no ads. This is some other guy. This is a short video, 5 seconds. 11-year-old arrested at school. What happens next is shocking. And notice, I'm jumping straight into the video. There's no ads being delivered, nothing. I'm gonna go down some. I'll click a Rod Wave video. I'll skip a little bit, sorry. I don't wanna. So look, this is Rod Wave's video. Rod Wave rap and all that, real good stuff. No ads. Go to Future, Wait For You, official audio. Again, we got Future here with his night. I forgot what those are called, like whatever they are. We got Future right in here. No ads. I'm gonna click on the A Boogie with the hoodie video. Straight into the video. 100% working. This is August 11th, 2022, 9:15 a.m. where I'm at. Bryson Tiller, straight into the video. I could literally click any video on YouTube and I will not get ads. I will not get ads delivered to my video. You promised my son free Robux. I don't know what this is about. I guess his son got scammed, I don't know. I'll go down some more. I'll look for another random video. I'm not picking like specific videos. This will work on any video. Migos. Got Migos pulled up easy. Let's see. I'll go to Lemonade, Internet Money Lemonade featuring Don Tolliver. And check the timer in the corner of the screen. Check the I don't know if the recording bar is showing on the bottom, but check both of them. There have been no skips in the time at all. I have no reason to lie. I'm literally showing you that this method works 100%, and that is pretty much like when I'm at home, I do not have to watch YouTube ads. This can be done on a cell phone as well. It's a little more involved. I haven't done it personally, but I'm sure it's pretty much the exact same way, and I could show you how to do that. But let me pick just a few more videos just to show like this works. So BCZ, NBA players first and last shots. Again, straight into the video. So I'm gonna stop right there. And pretty much how you do this is you need 2 things. You only need 2 things to get this up and running. Well, actually 3 things if you want to be technical, but you need a Pi hole on your network. Sure. Continue, I guess. I don't know. I'll just open again. There we go. So the first thing you need is a Pi hole on your network. After you get the Pi hole, you need to download an extension to your browser. So I'm on Chrome right now. This will work for Chrome Web Store. This will work on Firefox as well. You just got to go to the Mozilla store. Mozilla extensions. So boom, you need a Pi hole, and like I said, you can download this onto a Raspberry Pi, or you can set it up into a virtual machine. It will work the exact same way. And then you need what is called uBlock Origin. So I'm going to go to the Mozilla store, and I'm going to go to the Chrome store, and I'll just type in uBlock Origin. And here it is. So you need this you need this extension, and then let me do it on the Mozilla as well, just so that Firefox users don't feel left out. So you download this extension onto whatever browser you're using. I'm sure it's on Edge too. I'm not 100% certain, but I don't see why it wouldn't be on Edge. So you got uBlock Origin for Firefox users, you got uBlock Origin for Chrome users. And once you put this extension onto your browser, you do not need to modify it in any way. However, your Pi hole, once you get that set up, you will need to use custom lists. And I've put some lists on mine that are a little different from the default list. I've imported several lists from people on GitHub, and pretty much just to block the types of websites that I don't want. And basically, once you do that, when your computer is using the Pi hole for DNS queries, as well as uBlock Origin in the browser to block ads, you will not have to worry about YouTube ads at all. And the reason this doesn't work on a cell phone without like a little extra work is that your cell phone, when you're like out and about, you can't really like, unless you have your cell phone like pointed to your home network's DNS resolver, which would be the Pi hole, you can't really get it to work. You can download the extension uBlock Origin, however, you will still need to have your custom, DNS resolver or whatever. That's pretty much how it works. If you go on the Patreon, I am going to list all the configs that I've imported into my Pi hole, as well as there will be a video on how to do it. But yeah, that's only going to be on the Patreon. If you want a video on YouTube for how to set this up and just me walking you through how to do it, leave a like. I don't know, I guess 15 likes, and I'll do like a video on how to get this set up and running, and you won't have to pay for YouTube Premium or anything, and you just won't have to worry about ads. Like, you can just browse regularly and not have to watch 100 videos about, I don't know, some whatever company is trying to sell you something. So yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. Color Me Crypto. All you need is a Pi hole and uBlock Origin, and you're good to go. Much love. Peace.